Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Still working on the shop, in the shop. I'm throwing away, a lot of this stuff needs to be gone through because it's no good anymore. And I've got some yard lights behind some of that stuff I need to put up. I've got these toolboxes, they're spread out taking too much room. So therein lies part of the problem. And I got all these deer antlers I'm doing projects with. I got that jack, a friend of mine gave me that jack for my birthday. And while I appreciate it, I've got to do something with it. I used it for my motorcycle when I had a Harley. I don't have my Harley anymore, so I need to make some changes, and I've got to get rid of the jack, and I'll be selling it. I got to look it up and see what they sell for. I don't have a clue. But anyway, let me show you what I'm going to do in this particular corner. I'm making this rack, and I've looked over the farm to see what I had that I could use since I'm not going to any hardware store right now. But I'm going to make this 3 foot tall. Each of these sections will be an actual foot, so it may be just a little higher than 3 feet because I'm going to run some boards across the bottom too, where my metal isn't just sitting on the ground, because sitting on cement like that, I feel like it would rust it over a period of time. So what I'm going to do, I'll have my heavier toolboxes on this bottom, then my lighter toolboxes, and I'll have a secondary shelf if I need it. And up top, I'm just going to have flat wood up there where I can store stuff up top. And this side will be against the wall, and this side won't. And I may have wood there with some screws in it. And I like pegboard, but I don't have any pegboard that I don't have on the walls in here. And so I'll probably just have a piece of plywood or something, and I'll have stuff hanging there as well. And the depth of this will be 20 inches, and the width is 42, and the height is an adjustable 3 feet, because like I said, I want all these openings to be exactly a foot. So I'm going to have 2x4s going across to support the weight of the toolboxes, and so that's going to take out a lot. So you know, I could go up to a foot and a half, or a foot and a half higher on this. And up top, I won't need as much strength, because that's just going to be for miscellaneous stuff. But that's going to be our next project we're working on, since we've finished the Frugal Lazy Susan, or state-of-the-art shelving, whichever one you want to call it. And we're going to work on this, and it'll be made completely out of scrap. I'll be gluing my cross members to each other and screwing those, because there's going to be a lot of weight on this. And I may even make some manufactured cross members, depending on how much wood I can pull together for this project. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.